Yeah. Today let's make a chocolate budino with a espresso cream. It's going to be like a chocolate pudding. So in our heavy saucepan here, we're going to add 1 cup of heavy cream and 1 cup of whole milk. You got to make sure you use whole milk. We need the fat. To that we're going to add 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of Dutch cocoa powder, 6 egg yolks, and 1/2 of a teaspoon of our kosher salt. I'm going to pour this off to the side. I don't want extra salt in there any at all. And we're going to cook this on a medium heat until it begins to thicken, and it will coat the back of a spoon. Okay, while that's cooking, this will take about 8 to 10 minutes. Over here in a bowl, what we've got 6 ounces of bittersweet chocolate that we've grated. We've also got 2 ounces of milk chocolate that we've grated. And to that, we're just going to add 1 tablespoon of butter, because we want this butter to be at room temperature. Set that off to the side until our hot chocolate mixture is done. Alright, we've pre-tested it. It's done. We're going to turn the heat off. When you put it in, see, you can just run your finger through that. It's perfect. Now I'm going to set this off the heat there for a second. I'm going to make a mess on the counter first. And then I'm going to add to this, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Give that a nice stir. Now, we want to strain this to make sure it's nice and smooth. We want to make sure that there's no little egg white particles that's in there. That's possible whenever you're using egg yolks. So we're just going to pour this through a strainer on top of our room temperature butter and our chocolate. As we do that, I'm going to the pan. It smells like a really good hot chocolate right now. Stir that, and you can already see there's a few little egg whites. So we're just making this smooth and silky. At the bottom of that. Looks good. And then the heat is going to melt all of our chocolate and our butter in our bowl there. Give this a nice, really good mix. Now, if you like these videos, please take a moment to like and subscribe. Tell us what your favorite pudding is. This is going to be a lot like a really deep, dark chocolate or bittersweet chocolate pudding. It's an Italian version. It's fun trying different recipes from different cultures and different countries. All right. It's got a nice little shine to it. Alright, now what we're going to do, we're going to add this. Oh, we're going to add this. I thought Mom hit the off button on the record.
No, I had a great idea.
Uh-oh.
Use the Big Dipper and
dip
it instead of trying to hold that heavy bowl and pour.
See, well then let's get a Big Dipper. Is it over there, that Big Dipper over there?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, so we're going to take our Big Dipper here. And don't you worry, I will still make a mess. We're going to pour that on top. Now this is going to make roughly 8 4-ounce portions. Once we get these into our bowls, we're going to put these in the refrigerator and let it set for 3 hours. There's always just a little bit left over whenever you're putting them in the bowl. You can't waste any of it. Now for our topping, we're going to do 1/2 cup of heavy cream. To that we're going to add 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. 1.5 teaspoons of espresso powder. We're just going to blend it up until it's nice and thick. As you can tell, it adds a nice little peak there to it. Now, our things have become nice and firm. So we're going to just put a nice little dollop on top of it. Got to take a picture of it. We all take pictures of our food anymore. So that's perfect. Oh, looks delicious. Alright, now the important part, got to taste it. I'm sorry, Mom, it's not any good. You can't have any of it.
It's chocolate, of course it's good.